Hey there, adventurers. Well, it's day 3 of Overland Expo West, and we brought you more gear and more vendors. So guess what, guys? Stay tuned. I hope you enjoy.
Hi, I'm Rachel from Duct-Aid, and we sell first aid kits with medical grade duct tape. So it has all the same properties that regular duct tape has, but it has a skin safe adhesive. So it's not going to cause any rashes or infections on your skin, and it doesn't leave the nasty residue behind. Essentially, this would replace the Band-Aids in your first aid kit. It's got different templates on there, so you can follow 4 different types of bandaging if you would like to follow those, so you can really use it however you want. And then everything else you need for first aid comes here in this organizational cloth. Everything has its own individual pocket. It's all nice and labeled, so it's easy to navigate if you need something. This folds twice, it rolls up, fits in the center of your tape right there, and then that is your full first aid kit right there, where it's just over a pound. And then you can find us at www.duct-aid.com.
Hey, if you're an overlander or do any type of outdoor adventure, you know you have to solve the bathroom problem. Hi, I'm Paul Mangum, and with the InstaPrivy portable toilet kit in a backpack, we solve that outdoor bathroom problem like no one else. Your kit comes with a chair, comes with a tent, comes with waste bags, toilet paper, hand sanitizer, everything you need, and it sets up super quick and easy, so you're gonna use it all the time. The waste bag goes right across the top, interlocks with the lid, you drop an absorbent pad in there, and then you grab your tent, and the InstaPrivy tent covers you completely. It's instant, and you are ready to go, just like that. Inside, we got a pocket for your toilet paper and hand sanitizer. You have 360 degrees visibility. And what's also cool about this is you can use this for a shower curtain. You can use it for changing clothes. And it just folds up super quick and easy, just like that. And our chair's pretty awesome too. You have room to do your business. You don't have to use the waste bags with this chair. We have a shovel in your backpack. What really makes our chair awesome is there's plenty of room to do your business. Unlike the bucket, it gives you an awkward little space. Hey, we also have a shovel in your kit, so you don't have to use the waste bag, so you can dig a little hole, put this right over the top, still be responsible in the outdoors. So that's pretty awesome in a lot of different ways. All right, so that's the InstaPrivy kit. You can find us at InstaPrivy.com. And also, if you're a retailer, reach out to us. We'd love to work with you.
Hi, I'm Eva here with Nokian Tyres. This is our 4th year at Overland Expo West, promoting our tires, promoting Nokian Tyres, our factory in Tennessee, in our tires. And we just love talking to everybody here, and we're thankful to have the opportunity to be here with Big Brand Tires, one of our local retailers in Arizona. So this is our Nokian Tyres Outpost NAT, made in North America, our standard all-terrain tire that we're very excited to be promoting here at Overland Expo. It is a winter-rated all-terrain tire. We have the 3-peak mountain snowflake and the mud and snow symbol. It comes in LT sizing, 10-ply or 12-ply, and the feedback we've gotten is it is a excellent partial highway, partial off-road tire. It's quiet on the highway, made in the USA, with Aramid technology in the sidewall and in the tread. It also comes with our driving safety indicator, which is this tread wear indicator built in the tire. So as you drive the tire, you can see whether you have 80% tread left, 60% tread left, or 40% tread left. And it allows you to know how much safety you have left on the tire, how much tread you have left on the tire. So our website is nokiantyreswithay.com. We don't sell direct online, but you can online purchase at simpletire.com. Or if you'd like to visit retailers, you can check out our dealer locator on our website, which is nokiantyreswithay.com/dealer locator.
Hey, good afternoon. Watson with Iron Peak Campers. Today we're going to take a look at the Iron Peak XTR10. This camper is based on a 5x10 box. It's all composite, no wood. This is the 25 model. The 26 model will go to aluminum frame and aluminum cabinets. Has a 6-inch memory foam mattress. Nice spacious interior for the sleeping area. All Red Arcs electronics. Up here in the nose area, they come standard with a 300 amp hour lithium battery, 2,000 watt red arc inverter. You're going to have the Cruise Master hitch and Cruise Master independent suspension. On the top up here, you're going to get a nice big storage area for camp chairs, cooler, firewood. All the metal on the camper is powder coated aluminum. You have stand-on fenders. You have a bear-proof screen on the inside, no CM mesh on the outside. Lots of windows. The windows are all dual pane. You have a screen and the privacy shade. You'll get a 33-inch all-terrain tire with a 17-inch method wheel. The 26 model will go to a true-up combi 4 seasons. So this will be gone and this will be a storage area. You're going to get a Taruka shower awning. Step around here to the back and let's check out the kitchen galley. You're also going to get the Taruka 270 plus awning. Back here in the back on the 26 model, the spare tire will go to the front nose. The Cook Partner 2-burner stove will go here on the side. It'll flip down, so you'll get this extra area here for space. You're going to get the Dometic sink. Lots of storage inside each cabinet area. They have a dual lock, so they won't open. You actually have to twist to unlock the cabinets. The 25 model is a 75-liter Dometic fridge. The 26 model will go to a 90-liter fridge freezer combo. Plenty of storage, 500-pound slides on all the drawers. When the Cook Partner stove moves to the side here, this will become another area for storage. This camper weighs in right now at about 2,300 pounds. When we go to the 26 model, you'll shed about 360 pounds when we go to all aluminum. Over here on this side, you're going to get another storage compartment. You'll get 2 11-pound propane tanks. You'll get a molly panel on both sides for roto packs, axes, and shovels. You're going to get a porch light above each door on each side and one in the back of the kitchen area. You're going to get ambient lighting around the bottom for at nighttime so you can walk up to the camper. Inside is your red arc management system. You get one here and one in the kitchen area. You get a nice cubby inside to keep all your valuables, your iPad, your phone, any kind of necessities at night when you sleep. 6-inch memory foam mattress. Tri-fold will fold up and make a couch in the back. Also, if you look in the back, you're going to get plenty of storage for towels, clothing. And then just in case you didn't get a good look here, you can take a look inside here, and this is all your electronics. Nice, neat, easy to get to. The camper does come with the roof rack up top. You get 8,000 BTU AC and you get heat inside the cabin area. Is your 110 shore power, and the camper comes with 200 watts of solar. If you want to add more solar, you get an outlet right here for that. If you'd like to know more about our products at Iron Peak, you can go to ironpeakcampers.com. You can check us out on social media, Instagram and TikTok and YouTube. We appreciate you very much. I hope y'all have a wonderful day.
Hi, I'm Mike Rubio with Midland Radio Corp. We have our handheld radios over here. Our newest radio that we are debuting is our Clip Talk. It is a FRS radio, half a watt. It is the smallest handheld radio on the market right now. It's all on a little bass earpiece, which I am wearing it right here. So you can change the channels. You push and hold down the button and you'll see it flick through the channels. And then you turn your volume up, volume down, and then it does come with a mic earpiece. And then you just push the button here to talk. This is called Clip Talk. It is our newest smallest FRS radio on the market. All right, the Clip Talk is the smallest handheld FRS radio on the market. It is a small base like you see here. This is the whole radio. You have the base, then you have the earpiece up here. Push the talk on the side and then change the volume up or down. It is also fully customizable. You can go on the Clip Talk app and you can set up your own privacy channels. It is Bluetooth, so you can do your group channels and you can just set the channel, hit what radio you want to do it to, and then you can name each radio with whatever you want to name it. This is Clip Talk at midlandusa.com.
Hi there, I'm Rachel. I'm here with Kama. We make outdoor mats. They're super durable, easy to fold, waterproof. Dust just kind of flies off of them. The top doesn't touch the bottom, and you get a nice soft top, hard base. So if you're on any cactus or gravel or grass, you get a nice space to relax. We've got a couple smaller sizes as well, more of like a doormat, shower mat, changing mat option. That's how that folds. And yeah, easy to stash away. You can find us online. We're at Kama Surfaces on Instagram and www.kamasurface.co online.
Hi, this is Alia with Airlift Company. We do load support air suspension for your vehicles, for towing, for the overland community. You're putting a lot of weight in the back of the vehicle. We're going to help support that weight. We have everything from bags. We've got a portable compressor, and then over here we also have our wireless compressor as well to help fill your bags. Big one for us this weekend was the cradle, talking about getting your full suspension articulation. You can find our products at airliftcompany.com.
My name's Ken Valvo. I'm with Jetboil. We make compact, efficient stoves. We're here at the Overland Expo showcasing our most popular products, such as the Genesis 2-burner system. This is compact, portable. We have 2 burners that will burn at 10,000 BTUs each, runs on propane, comes with a skillet and a 5-liter pot. Packs up tiny, all inside one system in a carry bag. It carries quiet in your vehicle. So here at the Overland Expo, this is super popular because folks they're space constrained in their vehicles, and this really hits the spot for group cooking. Works beautifully. We have some new products I'd like to show you that just came out in March of this year. We've upgraded our precision cook system. This is a new Jetboil Trail Cook 2.0. Comes with a pot support system on there. This is a simmer control, so you can make meals for the whole family. It will boil, just like Jetboil is known for. However, you can cook stews, soups, prepare vegetables for your whole group while you're out. Comes in a 2-liter and 1.2-liter version. Folds up small and compact. Also new to our line is the Flash 1.8 and 1.8 Java. This is a 1.8-liter French press fast boil system. It has a brand new piezo lighter. It has hand heat control, so you don't have to worry about burning your fingers when you're using it. This will boil a liter of water in 90 seconds. So you have your coffee in the morning fast. Comes in a Java, non-Java version. And also this came out earlier in 2025. This is the brand new Flash 1.0. Comes in 5 colorways. You can buy this product locally at Babbitt's Backcountry Outfitters here in Flagstaff, Arizona. They're a fantastic partner of Jetboil. You can also find us online at jetboil.com.
Right. Hey guys, my name is Thomas and I'm from Silwy Magnetic System from Germany. So what we do, we build the magnet, integrate and seal perfectly inside the glass, in the bottom of the glass. And it comes with a nanogel pad, which is removable, won't leave any residue, and reusable. Time to time, you just need to wash off with clean water, let it dry, and you get like a brand new pad. The same things applies for the plates. So the plates, we use the south and the north pole of the magnet, so they won't rattle, and then the big mat is prevent from sliding, so you can really secure your product. Now when you get how you're going to store your glasses, even if we're talking about crystal glosses. So what you can do, we have the metal strip in different length and color, and you can just hang it upside down. So in this case, what you do, you optimize and you can secure your storage. Even if in rough terrain, your stuff it's really secure and good. So what we do, we have many applications. You find us on silvymagnet.com, and then we have over 250 SKUs, stuff like that, with your existing frying pans, prevent from scratching and those annoying noises. We have kits for how you can stabilize your coffee machine, different lamps, what you can turn into like a reading lamp. We have like big size coolers, same thing.
Hi, it's Roman with Roller Cam. We are offering our Overland kit. This is a kit that we hope would eliminate all of your other supplies, and you can just go ahead and throw those away and use this. So we offer 2 15-footers, 2 9s, 2 4s, 2 3s, and 2 2s. So that covers your gamut of traditional straight straps, short to long. Then we do 2 heavy-duty 3-footers, 2 of the 3/4-inch 3-footers, which are great for molly panels. You get 2 of our rope rollers with that, along with rope. You get 2 of the 6-foot looped ends and 2 of the 6-foot hooked ends. We also give you a carrying case, and all that for here. You can buy that on our website, rollercam.com.
Everyone, I'm Brian with Tembo Tusk here at Overland Expo. I'm sure you guys know us for the Scottle. It's been around for years, but we actually have a ton of new accessories that we've just added this year. The Scottle shelf is one that has been super popular, and it's really cool. You can put your tools on it. Seasoning conditioner, works as a cutting board. Of course, you got the good classic leg table for the Scottle. And then this year we have something new. We're calling this one the Burger Smasher 5000. It's better than the 4000. It's stainless steel, great for smash burgers on the Scottle. Of course, we have the tools that are made perfect for the Scottle, even left-handed, for those left-handed people out there. Something new is the Black Hex leg table and shelf. A lot more cost-effective if you're looking to get into it. These are a great price point. Then we have our fire pit. Good classic stainless steel flat pack it anywhere, super convenient, nice and thin. And then lastly, we have our new drop down slide as well as our new tilt and our Gen 2 flat slides. So lots of cool stuff here. If you miss us, don't worry, we'll be coming to you in Portland, not in Portland, at P&W. Yeah, and you can check us out at tembotusk.com. If you got any questions, reach out. Thanks.
What's up, guys? My name is Anna Monquist here with Decked. You can find us on decked.com. We make drawer systems, toolboxes, cargo glides, and all sorts of bins and cases for your organization to make overlanding easier for you. So this is Decked. We're at P46 at Overland West right now, but last day of the show, so you can find us on decked.com or at Decked USA.